Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Power BI Review My Usage Experience. Power BI Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and understand your Power BI usage data. It's aimed at Power BI users, administrators, and anyone responsible for managing Power BI licenses and resources within an organization. Key features likely include visualizing usage patterns, identifying underutilized resources, and potentially offering recommendations for optimization. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website provides details on pricing and features. They emphasize clear reporting and efficient resource management. Ease of use appears to be a key selling point, although specifics would need to be explored further based on individual usage. There's no mention of contracts or hidden fees on the site, which is a positive aspect. Availability is likely dependent on having a Power BI tenant. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Power BI Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. I connected my Power BI tenant account within minutes and the initial dashboard loaded quickly. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily found the reports showing workspace usage, report consumption, and data refresh activity. For example, I quickly identified a report that hadn't been used in months, prompting me to consider its removal to optimize resource allocation. The performance was excellent, with reports generating and updating swiftly. I had a quick question regarding data filtering and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was reasonable. I was really impressed by how customizable the dashboards were, allowing me to tailor the views to my specific needs. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to export data to Excel for further analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, meaning I had to access it from my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Power BI Review My Usage Experience. It provided valuable insights into my organization's Power BI usage, enabling better resource management and cost optimization. That's my overview of Power BI Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.